Myself and CJ has been friends from grade 1. We've experienced a lot as being friends. I mean, we've built small motorbikes, go-karts, had fun together, naughty together, had our tough times together, but we grew through that. I think there's nobody that knows me better than him.
So when we decided to start a business together, I sat in traffic one day and phoned Werner and said, "Werner, Drive Plus." And he was like, "What is that? Is that our company's name?" And I said, "Yes."
It's been a good journey, and I think that's why we took so much trust in each other just to get going with the business and putting the platform down.
We strive for your drive. So we're here to keep our customers happy and give them the best service we can.
We had the training over the years to look after our customers, give quality, and be a little bit different than the rest.
When a vehicle arrives, we greet the customer, we note down all their concerns, do an inspection on the vehicle and book the vehicle in.
Proper diagnostic is important for us as technicians to pinpoint where the problem is on the vehicle, as for the customer also to give him right information on the diagnostic itself to save time and money. What I enjoy about working at Drive Plus 4 Ways is that the atmosphere here in this workshop is very good. You are allowed to grow, you know, in the workshop. You learn every day, and yeah, it's a good atmosphere.
All very passionate about cars, all very passionate about the quality of our work. We're a very tight-knit team.
On car side, we are actually very specialized in Mercedes, both of us. We've worked with them for years, but our broad band of cars, we do every car, we do any car. The challenge out there is so great with all these cars coming out, new cars coming out, so we learn every day. But the nice thing is, any car that comes in here is fixable. That's what drives our passion. It's not only Mercedes, we can do BMW, VW, Kia, Hyundai, it doesn't matter which car, bring it, we'll fix it.
Something unique Drive Plus does is a video of the vehicle when it comes in for service.
It actually shows you, okay, we're changing your air filters, this is why we're changing your air filters, this is why we're changing your sparkler. So it gave the customers much more peace of mind. We'll send the estimate, but the customer doesn't know really what he's spending his money on. So the video just justifies everything that we do on the car.
Part of our service is to keep the customer in the loop the whole day on progress on their vehicle. So at the end of the day, when they collect the vehicle, they just pick up their keys, pay and go. We have add-ons like Liqui Moly products that we use, especially when there's rat droppings in the vehicle. We offer rat ban, and then we have a climate refresh that we normally do with our aircon treatments to make the car smell fresh and clean.
I started riding motorcycles many years now. But I started driving now when me and CJ started the business. He wasn't very fond of it, but my friendship with motorbikes grew so much. And we started with a small motorbike lift, and now we've got a few motorbikes that we even do motorbikes. It's such a passion just to work on them and have the opportunity to work on them. There's so many nice motorbikes out there, and it's a really, really good passion of mine just to work on them and broaden my spectrum for them.
With me using the oil and the products, ever since using them, it's been good, because even when you do a service, you can feel the car that it's alive again, you know.
Well, quality oils and additives impact reliability in the way that improper oils and additives could cause premature wear, could cause incorrect function of whatever they're lubricating. Overall, it's better to just stick with the best quality product you can find.
I think trust starts with myself and Werner. We need to trust each other to make sure that the customers can trust us. If we don't give them everything we have, they won't come back.
If you build trust in a relationship with the customer, he'll always come back, no matter what. That's a big thing. Trust is a real big thing for us. And always be honest with the customer. That's another thing. That's where you build a lot of trust.
After the service is done, I go into quality check. The reason why we do a quality check is to make sure the oil's level is right, the water level is right, and just make sure the technicians did the right job and the customer is happy.
So I'll be dead honest on this. In the previous time we didn't use Liqui Moly. When we started using Liqui Moly, I was a nice friend of Davy. I asked him, we had some problems on the V8s on our cars with lifter problems, and I saw the product on the internet, and there's an additive that you put in for lifters. And he said to me, I'll bring you a bottle of this. If it doesn't work, you don't pay for it. You don't have to. And we used it on a specific car where we normally used to charge a huge amount to change lifters. And I drove the car for 50 Ks, came back, and the customer was more than happy. And we changed our minds from there, from small products. I mean, something you just add into a oil makes a change like that saves you thousands of rands.
We went Liqui Moly because it is German engineered. Our passion was Mercedes-Benz and is still Mercedes-Benz. It's a fantastic product. The support we get from Liqui Moly is massive. And if a customer's got a problem, they will be first to help. It's a privilege and to be partnered with Liqui Moly. To be accredited Liqui Moly workshop means a lot to us and to Drive Plus Group. I think we are very like-minded. We look to the future the same, and we both about quality.
I never imagined we'd be here today with this amount of cars, this amount of clients. I think we grew much quicker than we anticipated for.
The passion at Drive Plus is to grow Drive Plus from where we are now into a massive franchise based, where we can service the customers countrywide and ensure that that quality and trust is always there.